On the border between India and Bhutan lies a remarkable place where cultures blend and commerce thrives. Welcome to the Dadghari-Hatisar Weekly Market, a vibrant hub that bridges nations and communities. Every Thursday, Bhutanese citizens cross the international border gate into the Indian village of Hatisar. Here, they find a bustling market that has flourished for generations. What makes this market unique? It's a platform where Indian indigenous tribals and others showcase their local and organic products. And it's not just the goods that attract attention, it's the spirit of cooperation and shared interdependence that defines this weekly market. The market's continuity through even a recent pandemic speaks volumes about the special relationship between the people of Bhutan and India. In sheer size and scale, the Hatisar border market caters to Bhutanese customers, meeting consumer demand in Gelephu and its surrounding areas. As you explore this market, you'll encounter a diverse array of products, each with its own story. From hand-woven baskets to aromatic spices, the Dadghari-Hatisar Weekly Market celebrates the craftsmanship and resourcefulness of local communities. So join us as we explore the Dadghari-Hatisar Weekly Market, a testament to cooperation and the enduring ties that bind us.
Brother, can you share us about what are the experiences?
The experience, the main difference is like in Bhutan side, there are very less people, and out here it's crowded. In the sense like it's very interesting and you feel lively out here, seeing many people surrounded with many people, and the market out here, seeing the local people, the Indians and the Indians together. It is interesting out here. But in Bhutan, it's a small place and very scattered. People are very scattered, so we rarely get to meet each other.
Will you come back to Bhutan?
Yeah, obviously. Yeah, the main thing is from Bhutan for shopping and all, we prefer out here. It's cheaper, honestly it's cheaper, and we get many better options out here.
Have you bought anything today?
Yeah, just brought some utensils. Not exactly like I still have peace.
Brother, could you tell us about how do you feel coming to this Dadghari market?
I feel amazing because here mostly the things that good sales are ready. So That's why most tourists prefer to come here. Come here and buy things.
ओमफ्राय लाबोनाय मानिखौ फाननो हाजोबो माथो बै बुस्थु बे एमाव बानायनायनियाहाय न'आव बानायनाय बे एमावफोरखौ बे जायगानि मानसियाल' लायोना बाहेरानिफ्राय लायो ओमफ्राय गावसिनि माबायावहाय जौ बानायनायखौ
गोरान गिसि ओंखामफ्राबो हिनजावफ्रानो गंब्रै हाब गोजा गोरान गिसि लोंजोबखायो जों बर'फ्रा हाबासो
बिसिना गावसिना बानायनायनि नियमफ्रा आलादा जायोना?
औ आलादा जायो संनानै फानोबो लोङोबो
जाबाय औ
We are from India.
So how was your experience coming to this market?
It's good because we get a lot of goods here that we can't find in Bhutan. So we come here to buy and we just enjoy here, just eating fast food and buying some stuff. Like they're really cheap here. So we often come here, mainly during Thursday and other days like Friday. We visit regularly in Thursdays, just for shopping and just for fun with friends, just to buy some stuff here and to eat fast food. We try some new fast food, what is available here.
what do you think about the clothes and attires that you find here in this market? Generally, the products, how is it?
It's more cheaper than that. So we come here every Thursday. It's only in Thursday
Open.
open and then it's closed. So we can have on Thursday, which we get more cheaper than other days.
And does the market meet the trend? Or does they have the trend is also meet?
Yeah.
Fine.
They often bring some clothes from Bangkok, some product from Japan and all. So we find it very attractive. So we come here and buy it. But sometimes they charge us more, but sometimes they charge us less. So we buy it as they prefer. And as for the Bhutan, they give us very cheap here. So we prefer here to come and buy it.
So what is the uniqueness you find
Uniqueness
here?
here is just we get the experience. We get the experience like we have here in India. So we just love India. So we come here and just have fun, and just talk with some people randomly, and just interact with them and communicate, and we just get new ideas from here also. It's unique and like we have been watching many of the YouTube channels or many of the videos. So just for experience, we come here and eat fast food. Like there are many different fast food that we have.
进钱你先吧。
आं बेखौ 91 निफ्राय होनाय जादों।
91 निफ्रायनो बेयावनो
91
होगासिनो।
निफ्रायनो बेयावनो होगासिनो। आंनि न'आ सामफामुथि बाजार, चिरां डिस्ट्रिक्ट आरो हाइरड सेरावनो न'आ। एकथिनियाबो आङो 91 निफ्रायनो गादों, रेजिस्टाराबो 91 निफ्रायनो। आरो बे बेगराबो आङो 91 निफ्रायनो फानदों। बेजों लोगोसे फिथोबबो बायो आरो आं। दा बेबायदिनो सोलिगासिनो।
अबेनिफ्राय लाबोयो?
आङो बेखौ एखमबा आलिपुरनिफ्राय होफैग्रा दं, एखमबा क'क्राझार, एखमबा बङाइगाव, एखमबा बरपेटा, बे जेराव मोनो बेयाव लायनाय जायो आरो।
ओमफ्राय जे बाहेरानिबो बायो ने? बाहेरानि मानसिफ्राबो बायो?
बाहेरानि मानसिफ्राबो बायो, बायो।
ओमफ्राय मा खोनानो मोन्दों बेगरफोराहाय जोलैया?
आं दिनैसिम 91 निफ्राय फाननानै बहुद मोजां रिजाल्ट मोन्दों। आरो सबाय बिमा, भिन्दि, थाइबें, जिंखा, बहल लांनाय मानि गासिबो मोजां प्रमान मोनगासिनो दं आरो बर'फ्रा गासिबो मोजां मोनजोबो। आरो नै ओरै भुटाननाबो मोजां मोनना लांजोबो आरोखि, बायना लांजोबो।
It's a kind of series, I think.
Theater माने like
Oh,
acting.
theater type, acting.
दे
एकटिनिया वान प्लेयार हारसिङैनो 32 जन 33 जन हारसिङैनो माने ओंखारजोबनाय राजा रानि राजकुमारि सान्थ्रि बान्दा बान्दि हारसिङैनो जाजोबो आरो। दा नोंसोरो मबाइलावबो नुगोन, मबाइलावबो दङ, नोंसोर नायबानो नुगोन आरो। एकटिनि आधा बाजा होनबानो माबायाव फैगोन आरो मबाइलावबो।
नोंनो बानायनानै नोंनो हगारो नामा?
औ आंनो बानायनानै
चेनेलनि नामखौ खोन्थादो आरो।
चेनेला थारमाने आंथ' गानायाव मानसिफोर खेबनानैसो मानसिफोर हगारदों। औ बेबायदि।
जायखिया एकटिनिया नागिरबानो मोनखागोन।
औ नागिरबानो मोनगोन आरो। एकटिनिया जात्रा गाननो बर'नि थाखाय जात्रा गान। औ बेबायदि आरो।
यहाँ पे आके कैसा लग रहा है या फिर आपका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा है?
अच्छा लग रहा है। भूटान में नहीं मिलता है चीज़, इधर मिलता है, बट दाम कमती में मिलता है, लेकिन कॉल चार्ज नहीं है। कॉल चार्ज नहीं है कंपेयर टू भूटान, लेकिन डिफरेंट चीज़ मिलता है इधर। भूटान में नहीं दिखता है तो इधर देखता है। खुश हुआ इधर आके, डिफरेंट पीपल दिखता है इधर। हम लोग सब है।
ओंखाम जानो फैबाय नै जों दा आंथ' अमासो जागोन
आं दाउसोलै
दाउसो ओमफ्राय जाफैदों जोङो बाजार खाथियावनोखा I mean बाजारनि एकदम मोखाङावनो
सिगां लकडाउननि सिगांनो खुलिखादों ओमफ्राय लकडाउनाव बोसोरथाम थाबाय ओमफ्राय नै लकडाउन खुलिनानै होफिनबाय आरो होफिननानै दा मोजाङै सोलिनानै दं ओमफ्राय मोननायाथ' बिदिनो अमा बेदर दाउ लकेल ओमफ्राय बिदिनो बयलार अमा खाजि ओमफ्राय बोरमा मोनो ना गिरबि मोनो ओमफ्राय बिदिनो दाउदै बायदिसिना मोनजोबो आरो गासिबो मा नांगौ होजोबो आरो होजोबो
जाग्राफोरनिफ्राय मा रिभिउ मोनखो?
जाग्राफोरनिफ्रायथ' मा होनोमोन
माने मोजां गाज्रि
जाग्रानिफ्रायथ' जेबो कमप्लेन गैया सोरबा बायदिया मासि मोजां संदों दा बिसोरबो जाफैबावगोन दे होनना बुंलायलायो आरो बिदि बुङो ओमफ्राय जाफैयोबो लाबोद' दाख्लैनि बायदि गोथाव लाबो होनना बुङो आरो बिदि बुङो गंगार नेपालि बिदि हाबफैनानै बिफैयो आरो मोजां होबा मोजां गावसोरबो हाबफैयो आरो बिदिनो गावसोर गोथाव मोनबा 15 जन 10 जन बिदि कास्टमार लाबोनानै जाहोफैयो आरो बिदिनो खुलिफैयो खोमसियाव फैनानै खुलिफैयो जों बेलासिनि बिदिनो 7था बायदियाव थाङो जों न'आ बै 2 नम्बराव ओमफ्राय सासेना नैबेयावनो सासेना खाथियावनो सासेना बैयाव खाथियावनो जासिना आंना बै
So that was the walk around the market, and with this we come to an end, and we had a really great time walking here and exploring the market. So with this we end today's video. Thank you.